Hey, what's going on, everyone? Sometimes we need to pay attention to where money is flowing. Money is the lifeblood of the economy, and where it flows is sometimes in our best interest to be paying attention because that is where wealth is going to be generated. This is an article from the Seattle Times. Bezos, Microsoft, they join OpenAI in humanoid robot startup company. Wow. You have these billionaires flowing money, investing in humanoid robots. Understand where the world is going. If you can begin your own research to see, are there any other startup companies out there that is trying to create humanoid robots like Tesla with their Optimus robot, and any others, Boston Dynamics. Pay attention to see what they're doing and see if there's any other companies that's going to latch onto, whether it's software, whether it's hardware, whether it's just manufacturing other robots, so that you can place your money there. It's real simple. We just have to simply pay attention to see where the money is moving to. Article was produced on the 23rd of February. Check this out. Startup Figure. That is the business that Jeff Bezos, Microsoft, OpenAI are placing billions of dollars in. It is called Figure. And I guess this is one of their prototypes right here. Figure 01 is one of their humanoid robots. Okay. Demonstrates its robot Figure 01 at the company's test facility in Sunnyvale, California. Jeff Bezos, Nvidia, and other big technology names are investing in a business that's developing human-like robots, according to people with knowledge of the situation, part of a scramble to find new applications for artificial intelligence. Yeah, you got this brain sitting out here that is able to do wonderful things way beyond the human mind. Artificial intelligence. All right. They need to put it somewhere. It has to be used. Well, just like we as human beings have a body and a brain for our intelligence, now the man, the creature who controls the dominion of the world, is now trying to place their brain that they've created into another man-made body, a robot. The startup company Figure, also backed by OpenAI and Microsoft, is raising about $675 million in a funding round. That's almost $1 billion. So this ain't no small chunk of change. People are really backing this business. Figure. $675 million. That carries a pre-money valuation of roughly $2 billion. Said to people who asked not to be identified because the matter is private. Again, this is where wealth is created, in private. Through his firm Explore Investments. I bet you didn't know that Bezos had a business called Explore Investments. Bezos has committed $100 million. Microsoft is investing $95 million, while Nvidia and an Amazon affiliated fund are each providing $50 million. How much equity are they getting in Figure? Think about it. They're not just giving this business money because they like robots. They're not just giving this money to this business because they like technology. No, they want a return back. And from what Bezos is doing, $100 million, he probably has a pretty big stake in what goes on in humanoid or Figure. The article goes on to say, robots have emerged as a critical new frontier for the AI industry, letting it apply cutting-edge technology to real-world tasks. At Figure, engineers are working on a robot that looks and moves like a human. The company has said it hopes its machines, called Figure 01, will be able to perform dangerous jobs that are unsuitable for you people, and that his technology will help alleviate labor shortages. Uh-oh. I think you guys can see your replacement. Yeah. This humanoid robot right here is going to replace you. Your job. If you do a dangerous job, if there's any labor shortages in any particular industry, this will fill the void. It's going to think like a human, and it's going to move like a human. Now, in some instances, you can say this is a good thing, especially for the dangerous jobs that human beings really don't want to do. So yeah, place a machine out there and let them try to handle the work. But that will take away jobs. So I think you and I, the one who are listening to me and watching this content, I think you know what you need to do. If you're in a potential job, career that could be replaced by these humanoid robots, I think it's time for you to think of another career field. Something that will go further, go past, that maybe would assist robots. Because if they're going to come and create these robots to replace actual human beings' jobs and classifications, then what are you supposed to do? Yeah, you got to go out and find another career. Other technology companies are involved as well. Intel's venture capital arm is pouring in $25 million. LG Innotek is providing $8.5 million. Samsung Investment Group committed $5 million. Backers also include venture firms Parkway Venture Capital, which is investing $100 million, and Align Ventures, which is providing $90 million. OpenAI, which at one point considered acquiring Figure, yeah, they wanted to buy it outright, is investing $5 million. $675 million. All for this one company. I think these technology conglomerates have high hopes for Figure. Very high hopes. Something that you may want to keep on your radar. Now, people with knowledge of the matter expect the investors to wire the funds to Figure and sign formal agreements Monday. But the numbers could change as final details are worked out. The roughly $2 billion valuation is pre-money, meaning it doesn't account for the capital that Figure is raising. Figure raised $70 million in a funding round led by Parkway. At the time, CEO Brett Addock said, "We hope that we're one of the first groups to bring to market a humanoid that can actually be useful and do commercial activities." Look at this quote right here. This is the CEO right here. Look at him. Yeah, take a look at him. Because if he's able to get these humanoid robots commercialized to where they're freely available, he'll be a billionaire. So take a look. You're getting the first glimpse of another potential billionaire within the technology sector. Look at this at the very bottom. If we can just get humanoids to do work that humans are not wanting to do because there's a shortfall of humans, we can sell millions of humanoids, billions maybe. That is why. That one statement that he said is the reason why these tech conglomerates, Jeff Bezos, and other people with massive wealth is funneling money in his business. Because that's what they want. They want these robots in the millions out here doing jobs that humans don't want to do. So, let's say that they do get these millions of robots out here, right? Let's say that they're able to have billions of robots out here. Where do you think the need is going to be? Yeah. Mechanics. Mechanical engineering, fixing robots, maintaining robots. I think you guys know what the next career field may need to be, because if there's millions of these robots out here, understand that they're going to break. Understand that they're going to malfunction. Understand that they will be destroyed. Who's going to maintain them? I'm just giving you all a massive idea as to what to get involved with. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.